Material design for face-to-face environment. Tutor, Jairo Gutiérrez de Piñeres. Participant, Emanuel de Jesús Rocha Vergara. Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia. What should ELT material have? The importance of material in a classroom makes the relationship between teacher and students so close that allow them be easy to acquire knowledge in a good way. The important to get an impact. This may be achieved through material which catch the attention of a student, creating in their mind the importance of the language. Develop confidence and skills. Confidence and skills can be developed with teachers which are able to help to get better the proficiencies of their students by means of easy vocabulary, like run, play, house, eat, work. It depends on the grade which will be developed. Every element taught must be relevant for the learners. The idea to introduce the students in the world of the second language is really important for teachers. It is not only a course into the school, it's going beyond that. Teachers need to show the student the English for their real life or professional life. Be better every day and teach with love. Proposal for principal approaches to the development of ELT materials. Principle of Language Acquisition 1. Crossing 9085. Say, in order to acquire the ability to use the language effectively, the learner needs a lot of experience of the language being used in a variety of different ways, of a variety of purposes. They need to be able to understand enough of this input to gain positive access to it, and it needs to be meaningful to them. Principle of Language Acquisition 2. To help a student to think in the other language meanwhile teacher is giving the information. It means the learner will be reading and thinking at the same time in English. Principle of Language Acquisition 3. In regard this principle of language acquisition, the self-esteem is indispensable for learners. Normally, when they don't feel progress in something what they want to learn, achieve, decline and get boring and do not continue with the process. So for this reason or for this process, they will develop a high emotion to acquire efficiently the second language. The second language. Language learners need to be positive and about the target language, about the learning environment, about the teacher, about their fellow learners, and about their learning materials. That's an statement. Principle of Language Acquisition 4. The function of this one is to be able to enhance the performance of the student through the acquired information, either by picture, environments, among others. Principle of Language Acquisition 5. The important to research information by themselves related with the foreign language will be a signal for the improvement of the student. Principle of Language Acquisition 6. The ability to do a feedback about the learning will be a guarantee a good outcome. Thanks for watching.